It's a hood nigga story, but you like Cinderella stories too. And girl, you know I fuck with you. Text you in the morning like, what's up, ugly? But to us that means you're beautiful. Probably should've kept that shit between us two. Girl, I want you. I'm on your body. My vibe is your body.
Hey, what's up you guys? It's your girl Dollface Kim and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. It's so good to have you here. We're gonna jump right into the video. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make your own banner for your channel. Alright y'all, so the first thing you're gonna do is go to the app Phonto and you're gonna click the camera at the bottom, click on plain images, click the white image, and then you're gonna tap where you see the numbers, click custom, and you're going to change the bottom part to 1152, which is the size that is required for YouTube's channel art. And then you're going to save that picture and use it. Now, whatever you want for your background, go to Google, type in whatever you want for your background, and just save it to your phone. You see I have a whole lot of backgrounds here. And I end up going with this one. It's like a pink marble. Okay, so this part is really important. You do not want to add your picture to the whole entire project. You want to add your pictures piece by piece and make sure that you align the pictures together in a way that you can't see that it's two pictures. Like it just looks like one picture. If you add just one picture to your project, it's going to stretch the picture out and the picture design is going to be ruined. So you do not want to just add one picture. You want to add it piece by piece, align them together, and save it and use it. So just make sure you align it right. Just take your time with it. Don't rush it. Just have some patience, okay? It's gonna take a while. This probably took me like an hour to do this. So after you're done and you've decided it looks good enough, just go ahead and save it. Okay, so I already previously had these PNG logos that I made, and I will link the website in the description box from where I got these PNG logos from. And in this clip I'm just showing you how you make it. So basically there's this little section where they have different type of texts. You have zebra, you have whatever, you know, just find whatever text that fits your personality or whatever you want and type in what you want it to say. And this is what it looks like. This is the burn one, the flame one, I guess. So, and then you download it, you click download, and then you go up to the top of your screen and you click on it and you just add it to your photos. Save image. And boom, there you go. So because this is my logo and this is this is what my channel represents, this is what I want to be big and in the middle. So this is what's going to be big and in the middle. And now I'm going to add a tagline. Well, you'll see in the next clip. I'll add a tagline and it's new videos every week. And I love this app. I'm going to show you guys why I love this app so much. Like I was using Canva or Canva. Yo, I don't know how to talk for real. But I was using Canva for years. But I just got hip to this Phonto app, and girl, I've been creating a whole bunch of stuff. So, and they have a whole bunch of fonts that you can choose from. The thing I like about this app too is that all the fonts are available to you. Like you don't have to have a pro membership or whatever to use a specific font. That's what I love about it. Like ain't nobody trying to pay for fonts. Like what? Anyways, so now I'm gonna add I'm going to spice it up a little bit, make it look like something, change the color, and you can make it warmer, you can make it cooler, like you can adjust the color to whatever you want it to be. Like this app is freaking amazing and it's free. It's free, y'all. Like you cannot beat this. So I'm just trying to find the right perfect shade of pink that's going to go with my background, and it's going to go with that is also going to be able to be readable. So, and then I clicked over to the stroke tab and I just added like a little outline to it, a black outline to it, and we just adjusting it a little bit, you know. This might take you like 10 minutes to make, but me, I'm a perfectionist and everything I do, like it takes me extra long to fucking do it because I gotta have it the perfect exact way. So yeah, this is what I love about it. It gives your font some spice. Like, you can add some shadow to it, you can blur it out, girl. This, like, it just adds a little pizzazz to your, you know what I'm saying, your project. Like, I love this app. Like, nothing can beat it, like, seriously. But anyways, now we're gonna type in something else. What are we typing in? Oh, we're typing in what my channel is. Like, what do I showcase on this channel? And it's gonna be beauty, lifestyle, fashion. That's what my channel is. So I want to make sure I put it in my banner because that's what people should be looking forward. Like, if you want to subscribe to my channel, this is what you're looking forward to. So that's a good little tip to put in your channel art. And I'm just spacing it out a little bit because that's how I want it. Well, this is really the tagline for real. But I just want people to pay attention to this is what my channel is. So I space it out a little bit. And then again, you see, you can move it around with the little buttons. And I'm just customizing it, you know, just figuring out how I want it or whatever. And I decided to change the font. I have a whole bunch of these little Dollface logos. I decided to change the font because that just wasn't going for me. I felt like this was more appealing. So I used this one. And I'm just going to play around with this and just see exactly how I want it. I even decided to add the Kim part to it because that's my name and that's my channel name. So I felt like the Kim needed to be there. So we just added this in. We don't want it to be bigger than the Dollface. And we're using the move feature. We're using the move feature because it just comes in handy. Like, sometimes when you're moving it with your thumb, like, your thumb is right on top of it, so you can't see exactly where you're putting it. So it's good to have that feature. And then we're just sizing it down to match the size of the Dollface. Okay, so when you get it exactly where you want it, then you go back and you add your little pizzazz to it, and you know, give it an outline, give it some shadow, you know, do what it do, however you want to do it. Okay, and like I said, I'm a perfectionist, so it's gonna take me a while just to make sure everything is aesthetically pleasing to my eye. Okay, and then I'm gonna add a little sparkle to it. I have these diamonds right here, and I'm just gonna put them, they're already made as a PNG, and I'm gonna put them at the bottom. Now, the way YouTube channel art is set up, girl, the way it's set up, it's not going to show the whole entire picture. So you're going to see later in this clip that I'm going to have to go back and like readjust it and change it up, and just like it was so time consuming, but it was worth it to get it exactly how I want it to be. And I will be showing you guys how to upload the channel art to your YouTube channel. I know it's kind of difficult, and it's just something that I had to play around and figure it out. So we're just going to save our project. And one thing you want to make sure that you do in order to upload this to your channel, you must download the app Chrome, Google Chrome, download Google Chrome, and open up YouTube in Google Chrome. So this is what my channel art was looking like before I found out about Phonto. And we're just gonna click on that little pencil, and we're gonna edit our channel art. Just click the upload button and upload your picture, girl. But like I said, you gonna see here, it didn't upload how I wanted it to. Like, it doesn't show how I want it to. So you see, I had to go back and I had to make some things closer, and I had to make some things smaller. Like, you just got to readjust it to just make it how you want it to look. Because with the whole mobile and desktop, they rearrange your pictures so it doesn't show up the same. It kind of shrinks it a little bit, and then it throws off the alignment of the wording. So I had to fix it. So like I said, it's a little time consuming, so if you don't have the patience, just forget about it. So you can see here, like, it threw off the alignment of the wording completely. So now I'm gonna try out the one that I just made again and see how that works. So once you have it exactly how you want it, girl, you're done. That is it. And now you can enjoy your beautiful channel art. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.
You take my